This is a QADAO presentation on the Voltaire CIP-1694 Administration, Review and Commentary on GitHub. QADAO is a community organisation that provides the following services: documentation and communication, auditing and oversight, governance and community support, facilitation and co-production, and project management and automation. You can support our work by delegating to our Cardano stake pool, QADAO, subscribing to our YouTube channel, or following us on Twitter. What is a Cardano improvement proposal? A CIP is a formalised design document for the Cardano community and the name of the process by which such documents are produced and listed. The CIP process itself was defined and agreed in CIP-1. CIP-1694 GitHub Administration. The GitHub pull request review process. Cardano improvement proposals, or CIPs, are submitted or committed as files to a GitHub repository that stores them for future reference and review. Technical commentary on the Voltaire CIP-1694 takes place on GitHub in the form of a GitHub pull request review process. A GitHub pull request review allows registered users to review and provide feedback on proposed changes to a code repository. Other users can review proposed changes to the code or text in the case of CIP-1694 and provide feedback, suggestions or approval before the changes are finalized. Conversation. The comment page for the Voltaire CIP-1694 provides a space for a conversation on its content. Commits. Changes to the document itself are tracked in a commits section. Files changed. The files changed presents the source of the CIP text itself with contextual comment and review. Initial comment. As can be seen from the screenshot, Gerard Gordon of Input Output Hong Kong posted the initial comment as an introduction or statement of intent. Reviewers. A list of reviewers is provided of individuals who have left comments. Gerard Gordon of Input Output Hong Kong posted the initial comment as an introduction or statement of intent for CIP-1694. The focus of the CIP as a mechanism for on-chain governance is highlighted. This mechanism extends the current Cardano governance setup where a fixed number of keys are held by stakeholders from IOG, Cardano Foundation and Emergo. The intention is to engage community input on appropriate threshold settings and other on-chain settings that configure this core mechanism. Subsequent proposals are signposted to meet governance needs that may emerge from this foundation. The Files Changed tab contains the source file of CIP-1694. Here can be found the raw markdown of the preamble that lists the CIP number, title, status as proposed, category as ledger, the location of discussion on GitHub, creation date in November 2022, and the type of Creative Commons license. The authors are listed as Gerard Gordon, Kevin Hammond, Charles Hoskinson, Samuel Levers of IOHK, and Matthias Bencourt of the Cardano Foundation. Navigating the source file. Scrolling down the Files Changed tab allows you to navigate the source file of CIP-1694. Conversations are indicated by a line break in the file which indicates its status, such as Show Resolved. Clicking on the Show Resolved button will expand the conversation to allow you to read its content. This example shows a typical conversation between Gerard and a reviewer asking questions and suggesting changes. Returning to the Conversation tab. Here you can scroll through and read general comments as well as requested changes. Add in a GitHub comment. If you have a GitHub account, you can add a comment by scrolling to the bottom of the Conversations tab. Here a text box is provided where you can write your message. When you have finished, click the green comment button to submit your comment. Apart from GitHub, there are many ways to take part in community conversations on the Cardano forum, on the Swarm Discord, on the Cardano subreddit, or on Twitter. Check out the links provided in the descriptions below. Thank you very much.